Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase font size on Instagram on iPhone. The first thing you will need to do is open Instagram. Once in the app, you want to go into your control center on your iPhone. So you're going to swipe down from the top right hand corner of your screen, or depending on the model iPhone you have, you will swipe up. And you're going to see a capital and common A. You're going to tap on that. Then you're going to select Instagram only. And from here you will see text size, and you can quickly increase the text size. After doing that, you will automatically be signed out of Instagram, and now you'll have to go back in. And once Instagram loads up again, you will realize that the font size has been increased, as you can see right there by looking on this page name, and you can see right there on the captions. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.